Hi, sweethearts, how are you? Here is the teacher Nati, and today we have language class, okay? For our language class, we have first to say which day is today. So, look at here. Days of the week. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So, today is Tuesday. Very good. So, today is Tuesday, 7th of April, 2020. Very good. So, first we're going to begin our class with our praise. So put your hands together, close your eyes and repeat after me. Angel of word, my guardian dear, to whom God's love commits me here. Ever this day be at my side, to light and guard, to love and guide. Amen. Ángel de la guarda, mi dulce compañía, no me desampares ni de noche ni de día, hasta que me pongas en paz y alegría con todos los ángeles Jesús, José y María. Amen, amen. Okay, so today we're going to start with the language class. But first we're going to recognize our feelings. How do you feel today? ¿Cómo se sienten hoy? I'm feeling very happy. I'm very happy. But we have different emotions, different feels, okay? You're happy, sad, angry, like a angry vowel, surprised, scared, very scared, and excited. Okay, tell me, how do you feel today, sweethearts? So, very good. I hope that you're happy, very happy and excited, okay? No quiero que estén nada tristes ni aburridos. Okay, now we're going to begin with our professions. Do you remember the professions? I saw you videos in my WhatsApp. Vi muchos videos de sus tareas en mi WhatsApp, and I have a lot of police officers, I have a lot of teachers, I have a lot of doctors, and that's very nice. So look at here. We have here a pilot. These are another's professions that you can do. Okay, so we have a pilot, we have here a firefighter, a singer, a vet. This is a vet, very good. A soccer player, okay, very good. So this is a photograph. An architect. Yo también tenía muchos arquitectos. Okay, a web designer, I think. This, and here I have a police officer. I can't see it, but we have here our professions. And do you remember which tools do we need to be we need to our professions? We need, when we want to be a firefighter, we need a fire engine, a firehouse, we need a ladder, an axe, hose, boots, fire suit, a hat too. Okay, these are some tools that a firefighter needs, okay? Son las herramientas que necesita un bombero. Okay, on here we have some tools from a teacher. A teacher needs a board. Sometimes we need glasses. We need our ABC. We need rulers. We need pencils. We need pens. We need to eat too. Necesitamos también comer. So we eat healthy. So we need an apple. We need books. And we need a lot of things to be a teacher. So sus videos estuvieron grandiosos y muy lindos. Por favor, ahora necesito que ustedes se tomen una foto jugando la actividad que hemos puesto en el Moodle, que es the matching game. Okay, this is a matching game about the professions and the tools that each profession need, que son las profesiones y cada herramienta que se necesitan, ¿ok? Les quiero mucho, les mando un beso enorme y espero que estén muy felices. Les adoro.